Welcome to a farm stay tucked in the quiet folds of Hendersonville, North Carolina. Clear Creek Retreat blends pastoral calm with the refined warmth of a 140-acre family farm. Travelers come here for slow mornings, mountain air, and the kind of stillness that feels handcrafted. The house sits on the Maxwell Estate, a working farm framed by rolling pastures, old-growth trees, and the gentle curve of the creek itself. We arrived in the afternoon as the sun folded over the Blue Ridge Mountains. The house has a lovely screened-in porch, and inside a welcome basket waits on the table with a handwritten note from the Maxwells. Everything is decorated farmhouse vintage charm and was exceptionally cleaned. The house features a nice living room space open to the kitchen where we cooked breakfast every morning. As you continue down the hallway, you are met with 3 well-appointed bedrooms, 1 king and 2 queens, and a bathroom with a large tile shower. We slept like a dream. Clear Creek Retreat is ideal for couples seeking a quiet getaway, solo travelers wanting reflection in nature, families looking for a farm stay experience, or anyone craving a break from noise, screens, and schedules. Outside, there are a variety of things to keep everyone entertained. Folks can enjoy the large fire pit while children can romp and explore or play on the fun play set. The attached garage features a fun game area with ping pong, darts, and a giant Connect 4. Our favorite amenity was the 6-person hot tub. The farm also features hiking trails. We just ran out of time to do everything that this Airbnb has to offer. We picked this stay because it was pet friendly and Birch and Redbud enjoyed walking to greet the farm animals each day. Clear Creek Retreat is close to everything Hendersonville has to offer. We went downtown several times to shop and dine. It was only about 12 minutes away. Wineries range from 10 to 30 minutes away as there were multiple to choose from. And DuPont State Forest for waterfall hiking was about 45 minutes drive. We highly recommend this Airbnb for its peaceful setting, amenities, cleanliness, and location. Be sure to check out all our videos on Hendersonville and remember to have adventure today.